Hello guys, this is my first mock and this is Marvel one and it's about Captain America and Iron Man fighting. So we've got Iron Man here. This is the Mark 85 minifigure and this is Captain America, the Age of Ultron minifigure. So what I've did here is represent the battle in Civil War. So yeah, you can see that Iron Man is blasting Captain America, but Captain America is blocking it with his shield. So you can see the background here. This is the wall, and I've used light gray and dark ones. And what I've did here is I've run out of light gray ones. So what I did here is I put all those random pieces that I have and put it all here. Not all of them. To fit in. Yeah. And we've got this tower bridge from the bridge battle set. I mean polybag from No Way Home or Far From Home. And back here is Spider-Man doing his iconic pizza time, and this pizza box is actually from the CMF, and I forgot her name. Was wait, let me check it. Yeah, from Kate Bishop. I forgot the name, but I know her from the Hawkeye show. So I've connected the web piece with this clip right here, and this is just my first ever mock, so hopefully I can do better in the future. Yeah, that's all it guys. Hope you like it.